The Shiv Sena district president Mangat Rai Manga was shot dead in Moga by unknown miscreants. There were 3 miscreants who fired at him. This is during the Holi celebrations. Gurpreet, take us through the details that you have of this attack that took place on the Shiv Sena district president that resulted in his death.
Well, this is the gruesome murder which has been taken place in Moga, and specifically we have seen the police have already started getting all the details from the nearby area. How this incident had been taken place, we have seen what we have learned from the parents as well as the relatives of this victim. They say to the police, it seems at about 10 p.m. he has gone to fetch milk from the market when these attackers, they were chasing him and they started firing at that shop where he has gone to fetch milk. And in that firing, we have seen one boy who was standing there. He has also got injured. But this man, this Shiv Sena leader, he was trying to escape from that spot. And after that, we have seen these attackers. They started chasing him. And in nearby stadium, that is a few meters away from that shop where he has gone there, he was fired indiscriminately by these attackers, and he has already lost his life. We have seen the police officer, they have already trying to connect all the dots in this this case, and as of now what we have learned from the local police, they say it seems that it's the old enmity behind this murder, but they are trying to probe all the angles because he was the leader. They are also trying to get the detail, and they are trying to even probe on the angles of the political killing also. But as of now, in the preliminary investigation, they say it seems there is old enmity behind this murder. So we have to wait and watch for the police investigation which is being carried out by Moga police. They are saying they have already identified these attackers, and there were the 2 firing incident which has been taken place in Moga last night, because one, we have seen this Shiv Sena leader who has already lost his life. On the other side, another shopkeeper was also injured when these attackers, the same attackers, they had opened firing at the shopkeeper. So now they are trying to find out whether from the CCTV camera footage, what was the motive behind this murder of Shiv Sena leader. Back to studio.